What happens if you never break down solids in your septic tank? A septic tank is essential for managing household wastewater, but many homeowners overlook the importance of breaking down solids. Ignoring this process can lead to serious problems, both for your home and the environment. Understanding the consequences is crucial for maintaining a healthy septic system. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. The risks of avoiding solid breakdown in your septic system. 1. Reduced tank capacity. Unbroken solids accumulate at the bottom of the tank, reducing its effective storage capacity and impairing normal function. 2. Sludge and scum buildup. Solids compact into sludge, while oils and fats form scum on top. Over time, these layers thicken and hinder bacterial decomposition. 3. Drain field clogging. When solids overflow into the drain field, perforated pipes can become clogged, preventing proper wastewater drainage. 4. Sewage backups. A blocked system often results in slow drains, gurgling pipes, or full sewage backups, posing health risks for household members. 5. Environmental contamination. Overflowing septic tanks can seep harmful bacteria, nitrates, and phosphates into soil and groundwater, threatening local ecosystems. 6. Increased maintenance costs. Neglecting solids means more frequent pumping, repairs, or even complete system replacement, which can be expensive. 7. Shortened system lifespan. Continuous buildup accelerates wear, stress, and corrosion, reducing the longevity of your septic system. Preventive measures. Schedule routine pumping every 3 to 5 years. Avoid flushing non-biodegradable items. Limit harsh chemical cleaners that kill beneficial bacteria. Consider adding bioaugmentation treatments to support natural decomposition. Understanding what happens if you never break down solids in your septic tank highlights the importance of regular maintenance. By following preventive measures, you can protect your property, extend your system's lifespan, and avoid costly repairs. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.